Hey guys, and welcome to this edition of Scruff's Garage. Today's video is pretty simple. Just got my new Jeep Gladiator, and one of the first things I noticed that I really don't like, I've got a black vehicle, black interior, even the wheels are kind of the graphite color, but the antenna and a couple other little things are aluminum or chrome, and the antenna is the thing that kind of looks out of place to me. So I'm going to replace it. There are several companies that sell them, but this is a 13-inch kind of stubby antenna. I've read some reviews. The 13-inch seem to get really good reviews. If you go shorter than that, it really seemed to impact radio reception. So we're going to find out. So I decided the 13-inch would be sufficient. Like I said, it's black, so I think it will look better. And it's only like 20 bucks, and it's super simple to change over. I'll show you outside the vehicle when we get there. You can make a 3/8 wrench work, or a 10 millimeter is a little loose, but it's not on there very tight, so you could probably use that as well. I'm going to start up the vehicle and turn the radio on. I kind of played around with it for a minute and tried to find a couple of radio stations that I was right on the verge of getting some static, where even with the stock antenna, maybe I wasn't picking up very well. And then there are a couple other stations that I'm getting crystal clear, like you would normally expect. And so I'll let you listen to both of those kind of stations before, and then we'll put in the stubby and we'll see if there's any change. Particularly with the radio stations, maybe we're just right on the fringe, and see if there's any perceivable change in radio reception.
The Woody Show. Tomorrow morning from 6 to 10 on Alt 95.3, Raleigh's Alternative. Yes, we're all going off the
Mentioned you're a mother of 3 black sons. How do you talk to them about what happened to Ahmaud Arbery?
You know, this was a very difficult one because
Delivered with 8 pieces of legendary fried chicken, fluffy buttermilk biscuits, fixins, and tea. Because no one ever said.
So this station, maybe you can hear, has just a little bit of a static in the back.
Hurry out for a big bow box at your front door. It's bow time.
It's still bow time.
You could listen to it, but it does have just a little bit of static. So we'll check this one afterwards and just see, is there any perceivable change.
Super tailgate.
Traffic is slow go 40 westbound between New Bern Avenue and Brentwood Road.
I have a little static with this one. This particular station is a rock station, and around here, it kind of depends on where you are in the city. You either pick it up really well, or it's got a lot of static.
Between Ingram Drive and Deanna Lane, your detours are
Got a little bit of static here.
Road. This is until August. I'm Jack Wiley, Total Traffic.
This report is sponsored by Taco
Okay.
Bell. If you're feeling boxed in, it might as well be with a...
Let's do the install. It shouldn't take but a second, and then we'll check after the new antenna's in. Alright, so I discovered my camera wasn't recording when I took the stock antenna out, but it just has 2 little flats on it. Like I said, you can use a 3/8 or a 10 millimeter. You just have to loosen it. It's not on there very tight. You don't want to strip anything out. And then the new antenna goes on. It's just hand tightened in there, and I think it looks significantly better. And it has let me put the phone down, a little bit of flexibility to it. So if you're off-road and you hit a tree limb or something, or they recommend that you take it out if you're going through an automatic car wash, but I think it probably has some flexibility. Even if it did get left in, probably wouldn't get torn up. So I think it looks pretty good. Not bad for 20 bucks. Okay, we're back in the vehicle. I got the stubby antenna installed. It's funny, you can barely see the antenna now, whereas before, great big thing, you could see it from the driver's seat. Now you barely see it. But we're going to turn on the radio and see if we get any additional static that we weren't getting before. So that was the rock station I mentioned before. No static noticeable there.
A week. They're going to be contact tracing rigorously, and they've got thousands of hotel rooms available for people just to pull them out literally of circulation.
NPR again, maybe a little bit of static, but it was the same before.
I want to end where the coronavirus.
And this is the station, if you remember the Bojangles commercial, I think it was playing. Had a little bit of static in the background. So, at least from this basic test, it seems like the radio reception is pretty much the same. Even if it is just a little bit less receptive. I don't listen to FM radio that often. Typically, I've got a list of podcasts that I normally listen to, or I've got an Audible subscription. I like to listen to books and that sort of thing. Or I listen to Pandora because I like punk rock and stuff like that, and sometimes you can't get that on regular radio. And of course, if you buy a new Jeep, a lot of times it comes with a one-year subscription to XM radio. So there's satellite radio that you can listen to. So to me, I think it's a worthwhile upgrade for 20 bucks. Even if I hate it, I could always put the stock antenna back in, but I think it looks really good, so maybe it's something you're interested in. So as always, if you have any questions, it's not overly complicated, but if you have a question, hit me up in the comments. I'll answer like anything that I can. If you like this sort of content, if you like Jeeps or if you like Corvettes, then I recommend you subscribe, and please hit the like button. That helps me a lot as well. So thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time here on Scruff's Garage.